Beginner or pro, one of the best ways to ensure your lawn thrives is by keeping your soil healthy. And one of the best ways to track your soil's health is with a soil test. It's a great tool to have in your lawn care toolbox, and it's never been easier. Soil testing is the process of analyzing your soil's composition from macronutrients to micronutrients to soil pH. Essentially, it's like a checkup for your lawn soil, helping you to understand what's going on beneath the surface. There are two primary components of your soil test: soil pH and nutrient components. Soil pH indicates how acidic or alkaline your soil is, and that can affect nutrient availability to your plants. And then nutrient levels. This measures the presence of key nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and the trace elements that are all essential for plant growth. Soil testing is typically done by collecting soil samples from a few different parts of the lawn and sending them off to a lab for analysis. Don't worry, this process is quick, easy, and relatively inexpensive, and it'll set you up for success. So you may be wondering, why can't I just throw down a basic fertilizer and call it a day? Well, there are many reasons why a soil test is important for your lawn. Number one, a soil test can identify nutrient deficiencies. If your lawn has a nutrient deficiency, chances are you probably already suspect that something's wrong with your soil because you have yellow turf, or really any color turf other than deep green is an indicator. So your soil test should confirm that suspicion and tell you which nutrients are lacking. If a nutrient deficiency is found, you can adjust your lawn care program by applying the right fertilizers and soil amendments. Number two, a soil test can help prevent over-fertilization. While it may be tempting to over-fertilize to boost grass growth and color, it's actually doing more harm than good. Too much fertilizer can lead to excessive growth, harm to the environment, fertilizer burn, and in my opinion, worst of all, lawn disease. Yes, too much fertilizer actually weakens the plant and encourages disease. You always want the right amount, no more, no less. And a soil test is going to tell you exactly how much of each nutrient the soil already has, so you can avoid over-fertilizing and save money in the long run. Number three, a soil test can help you determine if you need to adjust your soil pH. Soil pH is a crucial factor in determining how well your grass can access nutrients. If it's too high, alkaline, or too low, acidic, it's going to struggle to absorb the nutrients that it needs. For instance, if your soil is too acidic, you might benefit by applying Nutrilime. If it's too alkaline, you might benefit by applying elemental sulfur. A soil test will give you a clear idea of what your soil needs for your lawn to thrive. Number four, a soil test saves time and money. By knowing exactly what your lawn needs, you can avoid the guesswork of trial and error. Soil testing helps you target the specific problems in your lawn, leading to more efficient lawn care. This results in less wasted effort, fewer unnecessary products, and a healthier lawn with less maintenance. Number five, improve soil health. Over time, giving your soil what the lawn needs results in healthy, thriving turf, which in turn creates healthier soil by adding organic matter from clippings and supporting a thriving ecosystem of microbes that break down organic matter and release nutrients, thus resulting in healthier turf. First, you need to get your kit and register it online at andersonshomeandgarden.com/soil test. You'll create an account and then enter your kit registration number, which can be found here. Select the sample type, add the date of when your soil was added to the sample jar, then select the approximate square footage of your sampling area. Here are some tips for collecting a good sample. Before taking your soil sample, it's best to evaluate your testing area and divide it into sections if needed. This will depend on the size of your lawn or if different areas of the lawn have vastly different conditions. It's important to collect a representative soil sample. If multiple sample areas are needed, we recommend a separate test for each area. For each test, we recommend using a clean soil probe or hand trowel. Collect soil from 5 to 7 separate locations within your desired testing area. The soil should be collected from the surface down to a depth of 6 inches, and it's very important to make it the same 6 inches for every sample. If the soil is too hard for the soil probe to be inserted at all, wet the soil first and then insert the soil probe. Combine the collected soil in a large bag or bucket and mix thoroughly, breaking up any large chunks. Samples should be free of any large plant material and other debris. Using the provided scoop, collect 1 level scoop of the mixed soil and add it to the jar containing DI water and nutrient-absorbing capsule. Tightly secure lid. Next, you will mail your sample to the lab. Place your jar into the provided envelope, seal it, and place in your mailbox or at any USPS location. All that's left is getting your results and applying your recommended products. Your results will include 13 plant available nutrient levels, and the Anderson's fertilizer recommendations, application rates, and links to those products. Now you're ready to have a healthy and green lawn. For more tips and tricks and to shop our products, visit andersonslawn.com.